Mainit-init na chika. Danny Pangilinan may nasabi sa pagmamahalan nila ng partner. When it's real, you don't have to force it. The smiles come easier. The peace, it's natural, feels natural with the right person. Happiness feels like home. Dagdag pa ng aktor, alam nyo, ang ganda ng samahan namin. Talagang tinatrabaho namin ang relasyon namin to have forever. And I'm sure more and more challenges will come in the future, but I'm all ready for it. I'm willing to learn to go through whatever it takes to have this relationship and make this relationship last forever.